Alright everyone, this is my first video on recipes that you can use with Red Hot Tea Company. This is a real simple one. Here we have a yellow watermelon from JP's Market. This is out of their farm market, fresh, ready to eat, really good. And this is our cooking pack. As you can see, it's got 6 different little sachets and 3 different flavors. We're going to use the chili salt. Just go ahead and open the package up without knocking the camera over. This is a pause for dramatic effect. And take your sachet. Stop. You open it up. Go ahead and give it a sprinkle. And that's how you finish up summertime.